You probably guessed this already, but I'm having some technical difficulties already. For some reason, it changed which screen it's trying to show, and I don't know why. So, give me a second. And welcome to another ChaosCraft stream. Yeah, I just moved the window to the other thing. I don't know why it thinks it needs to be in the display capture. Which one's this one? Why is there two display captures? Madness. Okay, that's the upper left-hand corner there. Oh my gosh. 1 second. I can't edit that scene there. Okay, wow. We're just gonna all sorts of fun here. Display capture, yeah. No, not that one. That one. No, that's not the right one. Oh, there we go. Alright. We're off to the rocky start as per usual. Super Jerry. Never fear, otherwise known as Cold Embrace. How's it going? ChaosTrainer indeed. Let's see if I can remember how to speed this one up. I think it's the plus button. No, that's zoom in and out. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's too fast. So, Super Jerry, you remember ChaosTrainer? Yeah, and Cold Embrace. Awesome. And Lori. I'm gonna say that, Lori. I believe you have like an AKA as well. The Seek and Destroy? Story? I can't recall. So, yeah, we're going to take the neural net system from the old ChaosTrainer and we're going to wire it in to the new system. For those of you guys that aren't familiar with ChaosTrainer, this was an attempt to, alright, this is into species 1, or generation 1, and our top score is 75. So basically, to remind you guys, oh, whoa, we've actually got some intelligent behavior by Gen 2. Look at that. That's cool. God. Oh my God, wait, dude, what? I can't remember how to, oh, that one guy made it all the way up there. That's pretty cool. Wow, we were, mic a little low compared to music. All right, let's try that. Way lower now. It's like a third. Okay, did you see that one shoot up there? We had one go way up right away. Maybe we'll watch this for a minute before I start pulling stuff out of the brains there, as I just ignore the fact I'm clearly eating breakfast. Bacon, eggs, spinach, and cheese, in case you were wondering. Someday, this bacon's gonna give me a heart attack, but it's so good. I don't only have 5 of them at a time. We're gonna speed this up. There we go. So, Mechanist. Wow, you have the whole old crew here and this. Mechanist, there's still no delete button, and there never will be. Okay, maybe there will be someday, but not in ChaosTrainer. In ChaosBattle, maybe. I want to make it so you can just design the fields, or design the fields. ChaosTrainer indeed, yeah. So we're going to take the neural nets, the whole system from this one. At least, I don't know if we're probably going to take the the stuff that generates the neural nets, and we're going to take that as well. But I think as we've talked about before, I'm going to use the action selection screen, and I am using A star currently in the, ooh, that was a little bit of intelligent behavior there. Whatever, Gen 3 didn't give me a new high score, so which is weird. That one must have just gotten lucky and gone way up there. So did you check my sim model out? Find any issues? I don't believe I did. Did you post a sim model for me to look at? I may have missed that. I'm sorry. Got a lot going on. Hopefully I'm finishing buying and moving into my new house on Tuesday. So that's good. Delete button, just add a void tile. Yep. Same lava maze experiment. For now, what I think I might do, because what I want to do is have them use the A star pathfinding kind of, except instead of just being A star, that I think the first one, you know, there's like a penalty score form. You know, you can assign like, oh, you know, this type of tile adds this type of movement penalty, so it scores lower. I think I might have the neural nets go through and create the scoring that the A star uses for starters, and then maybe in the future have it actually the neural net select which tile to go to next. So that's kind of cool. So, star question mark. A star pathfinding. I'm not quite sure. Never fear. I posted the link to cast in the chat on Discord. Keep bugging me about it. I will take a look. I just haven't gotten to it today. Been up since 6. Had to take care of the puppy, and gotta work out in. So, and I got the camera kind of working a little bit better, so you can do some basic panning and zooming in Chaos, not by ripping out the old ChaosBattle, by ripping out the old systems from here. So, man, I really want to see these guys get smart, but I guess I'm tempted to leave this running in the background. Hopefully, let me know if it gets choppy or slow, but we're going to go to ChaosTrainer, and we're going to go ahead and take a look here. So, let's look at what the scripts were. So we had a ton of stuff. I spent months on this thing. Yeah, I spent so much time on this thing. All right. Oh my, I sound pretty busy. Oh, I've been busy. It's the amount of calls I got to do to bankers and mortgage companies and attorneys and stuff to buy a house. It's a lot of paperwork here in the States. I wager it's similar everywhere, but man. Sorry if my chewing is super loud. This bacon's really good. All right. So, what do we need? We need the AI. We also need to be able to store them, but there we go. Neural net. Brainmaker. What's this? All right. So here's your outputs. There we go. So, create a new window source and then set it in the corner so we can see the code. All right. I was thinking about it. I wasn't certain. Let's go ahead and try that. Game capture. Okay. Capture a specific window. I hope this is it. This might get weird for a second. It's on top, but it's not capturing it. Huh. Okay, hold on. Nope. Game capture, come on. You got it? No? Alright, let's try this again. Oh my god, I have so many things open. Yeah, it's capturing it. It should be putting it over the top of it. I don't know. Okay, we're not going to spend a ton of time messing around on this. We'll just check back periodically. That would be cool if I could figure that out. Okay, we got another one at 111. But they're dead. No, we got some pensive ones here. Let's just check on this for a second. Click the eye icon. I did. Yeah, no. I do know how to turn on and off the sources. I know it may not look like the brightest. No, I'm kidding. But I should play around with it more. Yeah, ChaosTrainer Scene 1, that's the one I got it set to. So, but I can't get any of the windows to render right now. And it is on top. I guess if you want to take a look. It's off now, but... Oh, wait. There we go. Now it's gone. All right. Hold on. Oh, wait. That's the main... That's because it's actually on the screen. All right. Enough of that. This one's pensive. He's thinking. Remember, you can view their neural nets too. Yeah, I'd like to get all this in there, but the thing is, it's gonna function differently because it'll consider every single action. So, use window source instead of game capture. All right, let me try that. Let's get rid of this. How's everybody's weekend going? Sure you want to remove game capture? Yes. Okay. Add window capture. Okay. Okay. It looks like it's right. Yeah, that should do. Okay, cool. Now I can get back to actually coding stuff. So I'm hoping to go for the next, depending on if Shay can hold it, we may need to take an interval, but at least 2 hours on this. So, all right, we're gonna find out where the move output is. Outputs, move output. Yep. So I'm tempted to just copy all that over. Where is this? All right. For some reason, I gotta hop all the way over to here to do this, but let's just copy the whole neural net file over, and I can whittle it down from there. And again, sorry if my chewing is super loud and obnoxious. I shouldn't eat on camera, or I'm not on camera, but on mic. So, all right. So we've got the scripts copied over. So if I go to ChaosBattle, we should have scripts neural net. All right. Okay, this is a bunch of stuff we probably don't need. Use garbage collector. Oh yeah, that's the problem. We had a memory stop. Unity seems to be frozen. Hold on. Okay, I somehow need to keep this up, but not on the main screen. Okay, that's good. All right, what are we doing? All right. Okay, we don't need the garbage collector right now. So we've got our base neuron, base objects, mono behaviors, all that stuff. Okay, and all this stuff had to do with garbage collection. Man, I hope we don't have to run into those problems again. That was such a pain. Such a pain. All right. Hidden neuron, which I'm pretty sure is a middle neuron. Wow. All right, at least I don't have to rewrite all this stuff. All right, I'm about to go to work at Target in like 3 hours, third day. So, third day on the job. Good luck with it. And keep inventing stuff. Because that's cool. I saw your arm video. Good stuff with the robot arm. Very stressful fulfillment job. Well, it's good that somebody you worked at sometime in your life, so you're like, you know what? This is why I'm going to work hard not to do this job, so I don't get stuck doing that. I worked a factory job stacking boxes for a while. Like, I don't want to put down that type of work, but it made me realize just doing the same thing over again bored the heck out of me. So take what you can get. Keep shooting for the moon. You'll get there. Or die trying, but it's a little dark there. A little too dark for morning. All right, what we got? Inputs, outputs, we got that. We got the bases. So I've got AI and I've got neural net. So NNet would be more like ML, and this is AI, like the base stuff there. So let's take a look. We got the brain maker. Now, if I remember correctly, yeah, we had a neural net. Oh, and I got to switch back over to the ChaosTrainer. And we're going to see that neural net's got to be referenced in 100 different places. Okay, bot controller. Bot controller had a neural net. Okay, this bot controller is basically a brain. So I had a different one that I just called brain in the other one. So, all right. So we're going to go ahead and create over here. Excuse me. We're gonna call it a net brain. Set maximize on play in Unity. Maximize on play. I clicked it, but I think it stopped. Yeah, I'm very literally shooting for the moon. I'm thinking programming rovers and stuff as my goal job. It sounds good. Get networked in. Get to it, man. That's good stuff. There'll be plenty of jobs for it. You know, now with these billionaires trying to get up there. So I don't think you'll have to worry about NASA. So you got a lot of opportunity there. Space mining. That's the future. Mining asteroids sounds so safe. No, I'm kidding. That's why you're gonna need those lunar rovers. It's cool to start with robotics already. Kind of works with you, mechanist. Yeah, it makes sense. All right. Okay, so this is going to need a neural net, and all this stuff. Is this okay? Basic brain, current action, yada yada. Okay, okay. So actually, we'll need that kind of because we're only going to select a new action when we don't have an action or if it's expired. So we can get rid of this stuff. This is all the hand-coded junk that we're going to replace. So actually, I'm just going to comment it out for now because I'm going to grab some of it, I'm sure. All right. Probably missing keyword partial. Is it a partial? I think. Why are you partial? Hold on, let's fix this first. That's an easy one to fix. No, don't create typenet. Oh my gosh. Are you unaware of all this stuff over here? I realize they're all in red because I haven't actually added them to version control yet, but no. Oh my gosh. Why do you want to be partial? Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. This brain base is abstract. Do we not have a tick method? We have a tick method. I don't know what's going on there. That's weird. Oh wait, because I haven't renamed this. That's right. Wow, you thought I would have named that in the refactor. All right, can you find this now? No. Actually, no, it's not import. I'm not writing JavaScript. Gotta fit the brand, lol. Yeah, all right. Yeah, you're just a neural net. Using. Can you not find it? Or is it for some reason in red? I don't know. It's possible that all this, it's failing to recompile it because there's just too much junk in there. Alright, let's stop this. If I try and recompile it, it should tell me where the errors are. It's not great at communicating that to Unity, unfortunately. There we go. Okay, so here's all the, wow, lots of count. We're going to get rid of a bunch of that stuff anyway. Okay, now it's starting to figure it out. Now, let's fix this. Oh, it looks like it's good. Okay. Now don't. This interface. We're not going to be as flexible with our fitness stuff this time. It's just going to be kind of static for the beginning. So I do want to do capture the flag. Alori, how's it going? We're Steakin's story, if I remember correct. Tell me if you've got an alias. Remind me. NNet data. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at what we got. ChaosTrainer. What is NNet data? There. Just control click into it. Where are you? Okay, data storage. All right. I'm just going to copy over all the data storage stuff because we're definitely going to need that. I thought about using ChaosNet for this, and I probably will wire it in eventually, but let's just get this thing moving first. And I think ChaosTrainer will be the first one. It's data storage. There we go. Still don't have a puppy cam yet. Sorry about that. She's sitting there like an angel chewing on a big bone treat I just gave her. Okay, so now we should have it over here, data storage. Wow. Seeking story. All right, I was right. What are you doing? Please keep it simple. All right. So, you see those little guys in the bottom corner there? I'll bring them up to the main area for a second. Wow, OBS is gone. Where's OBS? All right. These guys, this is an old thing I wrote a long time ago called ChaosTrainer. And these bots are learning to solve a maze. They learn to navigate it. So that guy kind of hesitated there. So they're neural nets, just like we've worked with before. And basically, I'm going to take this guy. I don't even know what that guy's brain was doing. Let's see. Let's slow it down for a second. That's too slow. Let's watch this guy. Okay, he's dead. Let's try it again. Okay, let's go faster. Come on. I think we're at the very end of a generation. Okay, so these guys hopefully will be smart. No, so you can see here's a neural net there. So this is a different way than we're going to do it before, because this is just raw inputs and outputs. This guy's kind of got it sorted out. I'm going to give them the ability to plan their actions, so they can decide the targets, and then they'll have some neural nets that basically help with navigating, but it won't be quite as raw as this one is, where it's just like, wow, that guy thought for a second before burning himself to death. This is Lapa, by the way. So either way, we're taking the brains from this and putting it into ChaosBattle, the one I've been working on the last couple times. So learning to battle instead of navigate a maze. That's kind of it. Though I probably will add some navigation challenges in there. But I got all sorts of ideas for area effects, potions. I got all sorts of pixel art I've been working on. It's fun stuff. Okay, we don't need hidden neurons. We need base data. So these are all serializable. So this is how we save stuff. I don't know if we need the garbage collector. I'm concerned. But we'll see. All right. Grandmaker, big data, fire only top neurons. Okay. I'm just gonna evaluate neurons. Okay. Gosh, it's gonna take a while. It'll be worth it. So worth it. All right, log history. No. I'm wondering if I should use the same name and change it to bot controller. Oh wow, bot controllers have a lot of stuff going on here. So there's two ways to go. Is take what I've done recently and rip it out, or use the old stuff. This stuff seems a bit heavy. So what we're going to do is we're going to migrate some of this stuff over. This is in ChaosBattle. Okay, good. All right. Man, there's so much going on here. Well, we won't have eyes quite the same way because we're not going to do ray casting. I did think about doing a lot of stuff with visibility, but I don't want them to have eyes. They'll just have cone visions. And I thought about putting in tall grass where their vision would be limited, or smoke bombs where you could make vision more limited. So, wow, there's so much going on in here. I must have spent a ton of time on this. Pretty sure I was only partially employed when I wrote this. This is when I used to have time. Oh, that's cool. All right, we got a whole game mode in there. I should take a lot of this stuff. I'm trying to, let's see, game instance. Go back here. Let's steal the game mode thing because I do want that. Oh, that already has been copied over. Okay. Create field. Okay. Let's see. You know what? I think I will switch over to the bot controller, so. I don't know if we need a bot eye manager. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So we're, yeah, this is all so I could do the darn garbage collection. And I don't think it actually even worked in the end. I think I'm probably gonna have to do that as a, I need to rename this thing. Where's the NPCs? Entities, NPCs. We're gonna call this Chaos NPC entity. Needs to have the same name everywhere. Maybe I should call it Chaos Bot Entity, I'm not sure. Oh boy. The song's a little too chill for now. Alright. No, it's gonna be forever before I can even compile this thing. I guess I'll copy that over. Game config data. Let's take a look at what that is. Nope, that's not it. Like I didn't copy over all this because I wanted a bit of a fresh start, but I don't know. I think it is probably best I'm starting with a fresh set of eyes on this. I know I'm copying over stuff, but ChaosTrainer data. All right. Okay, we're just copying stuff now. Miss init game. All right, so back over ChaosBattle. Get me the game manager down here. I'm already looking at it. Yep, we're just copying this whole thing. No. All right, we don't need the debug panel right now, though we will soon enough, I'm sure. I'll just switch to this. It's public, it should be fine. Oh, that's nice. That loaded. Just add that to it, or did I make it private? I must have made it private. I guess not. All right. Let's go back to the neural net. We're just gonna I think we're gonna go and let all the ones fire just for now. We can make a setting for that later if we want. And real quickly, I'm gonna grab crash it. Jeez. That dog destroyed that bone. 1 second. All right, back. Let's check on those bots again. I do believe this could be its own stream here. Super chill. I think I have done that before, where I just let this stream. There was like a mode where you could like just watch them. There we go. All sorts of charts. Look at this. All right, back to the battle. All right, so we've got this one squared away. I'm gonna add that for sure. I gotta rename everything from CT to like just chaos. I did, when I designed this, originally intend for it to be like a framework I could use other places, so that's good. Let's see, you're gonna need a base neuron. Git add. Let's see, where's the neural net? There's the neural net. Let's see, neural dependency, input neurons, hidden neurons, output neurons, all that stuff we need. Alright, add all that. What did I do here? Man. I really should look through the source code before I started. It's going to take me a while to reconcile this with the stuff I've already done. Just renaming stuff so it fits a little better, and then this one's going to be chaos entity, so they can observe various entities. I started on the observable stuff so early. It's crazy to think I was on that stuff years ago. Observed entity. Don't know what I was doing there. Highlight object. I think board manager and level, chaos level need to be reconciled. I don't have a board manager here, but I do have a highlight object, so that's kind of cool. Good job. So much stuff. Screw it, I'm adding it all. I'll remove it later as I go. All right. I should probably add a version in there. That makes sense. Go add it above that. Yeah, so I should probably add this to the chaos entity. I don't know, or I'll make chaos entity extend that. Let's just take a look. Yeah, all right. I guess that's what we're doing. Yeah, it's gonna ask that I implement missing members. What are they? Okay. We'll have to implement that in other places. We're not going to implement that here. This may have to be an abstract class. There we go. All right, base data. What are we missing? Garbage collector. Should I add the garbage collector? I guess we're adding the garbage collector. I'm going to speed this back up. I forgot about that. It's too fast. There you go. I still want it to be cinematic. Uh-oh. Dog's getting frisky here. Okay, evidently that fixed some things. That's good. Why did I think this was going to be easy? I mean, I knew it was going to take hours, but I'm thinking it's going to take days. What's up, Shay? Shay's whimpering down here for some reason. She wants more of that bone. All right. Okay, this is good. I think we're going to have to make this. Nope, these aren't abstract, I guess, so we'll have to implement. Equals. I actually don't know. What is that? I should probably see how that is set in Trainer. So that's what we got to do. Okay. No, that's not it. It's got to be class name. The hell's class name? Okay. So yeah, all right. I guess we're gonna go with real type and no. Oh, we got a bunch of stuff going on. No, we don't. Never mind. Someone's chatting in Discord. That's what it is. Tenchi Livestream when? Good question. I haven't even installed it yet. I'm afraid my computer will melt right now if I try to do that. That was definitely, I don't know, I wouldn't call it an impulse purchase, but I was frustrated because my Uber Eats screwed me and I was just like a bit getting it and I'm not going to play it right now. So, highlight object. Alright, we're not worried about that one right now. That's fixed. What else is broken here? Bot manager. What is a bot manager? Destroy everything. Yes, we definitely need something that does that. Let's go back. Did we ever figure out? Okay. Okay, there's not much to this one. That's good. Okay. And it just extends model behavior. All right. I'm not worried about pulling that over then right now. Oh, she just went to sleep in the little bed behind me. The puppers did, Shay, and super cute. Let's see. I forgot what I was doing. Clearly need more caffeine. Oh, that's right. I was grabbing that out of Game Manager. Thought I had Game Manager open. Alright, I don't know if I need a bot manager. So we're doing it in level. Yeah, we're already doing all that in the level, so I don't think I need to rip that over. I probably do need an input manager though. Destroy everything, that's what I need. Yeah, so those two I'm combining into one thing right now. But so either way. Set up, challenge, whatever. Alright. That's cleanup. Sure, I think that's it. Because the chaos level ideally was going to be my game mode almost. I'm not sure. Let's add that. That's a Boolean. Is that gonna work? Wow, I'm not even sure that syntax worked. All right, cool. How do you set it then? All right, we're just gonna copy that over. Darn your weird syntaxes. There we go. All right. We just have to fix all of these. Are there any easy ones? Base neuron? Sure, let's see what base neurons got. No, we're just gonna turn off LSTM for now. And base neurons up and running. Good. I wonder if chat is actually stopped or if something's going on here. Refreshing that. I would like to see chat. Oh my gosh, I'm so far behind on chat. I'm sorry, guys. YouTube froze. I might do a squid game in ChaosTrainer. Awesome. Like playing with controls, flicking a switch the fastest. I haven't actually watched Squid Game. That type of stuff freaks me out a little bit. Oh boy, Never Fear sounds like a pain. Maybe. Yep. Elori or Seeking Story. I have an idea to share. Why don't you give chat involved with the game? Like everybody wants to send a message, gets included in the game. So they keep watching the street, just saying, I want you guys to be able to play against me. I want you guys to be able to beat me in this thing. You train your own armies with this thing. We'll battle it out. This is not just a me thing. All my stuff's about collaborating in AI. None of this stuff's built in a vacuum. Sorry if I moved past the mic there. I probably should have added a comma to that sentence. How many years did you work on these files? I think I worked 9 months on ChaosTrainer. I think that's about what I spent on it. And I was working on it pretty much daily because I remember correctly, I only had about a 10-hour-a-week contract. And that was around the time my knee was blown out. That might have been it. I don't know. I'd have to look at the specific commits. So, ChaosTrainer data. What are we missing in here? Something down here. Debug panel. We'll have to. I mean, it's not a bad idea to add a debug panel earlier than later. Let's pull that out of the other UI. Okay, that's not it. That wasn't even close. That was. Yes, let's go. Oh, that's gonna be in. Yeah, it'll be in the let's see, ChaosTrainer UI folder. Debug panel. I can't copy one over. You know what? We're gonna do this. Copy. ChaosBattle. We've got a UI folder. I'm pretty sure I created one. There we go. Add existing item. No. Add. And it's called Debug panel. That's simple. That TS. Been writing a bunch of TypeScript lately. Hurts the brain to switch back and forth from so many languages. All right, this is good. No red. I'll take it. We're gonna go game. It's not game manager. It's menu manager, and there we go. And then we need to add it from. There we go. Wow. We probably need to create it too. Let's see. Let's go canvas. Bug panel. We're gonna remove that. And add component debug. Uh-oh. That's because I can't compile because there's so many errors. All right, we're gonna struggle with that for a minute, but at least that'll fix that one issue. Oh, that's not actually that many. Yeah, chaos item. Each chaos item is gonna have to implement that themselves. So let's just. Is it class name it has to do? Oh boy. You go, you go, you go, you go. All right. All right. No, I don't want that. All right. I need to remember how to write those getters and setters. Here we go. Okay. There needs to be a string. I think chat is freezing again. Pop out chat? Let's try that. Can I pop out chat? Okay, no, good. And this time it didn't freeze. if I'm not answering here, hit me on Discord. Oh no, Discord just closed. It's awful. All right. So I gotta add these to all the items. Yeah, items. I gotcha. We're gonna make you abstract. You're fine. And sure, you're abstract. And you're abstract. Got Control Shift V. It's amazing. It's like because it knows your copy and paste history. So if you're copy and pasting multiple things, it's fantastic invention. Let's see. Oh man, it's gone back so it's out of date there, I think. The studio went back and it's lost some chat messages that you guys already had written. Okay, so that should fix my items. Good. Let's get back up into, I don't know, let's go to this entity filter data. I don't know what that is. I think we're going to delete it. Wait, what was it? Actually, I should have probably just looked to see. Hold on. Undo, delete. Yeah, okay, cancel. I think test entity is going to be chaos. And don't have a real type. Okay, well. We're going to do that. It's going to be less complex than this, so I don't know if we need all this here. Yeah, alright, we can just do that. There we go, that's good. Okay, this method is actually not being used. We can get that round gone. There's more in here. Yeah. What do we have down here? Is this actually being used? It is being used. So that actually looks like it sorts out the whole data storage directory. Now we just have this entire neural net directory. Okay. Don't know if I'm using you. Okay, we're gonna go there to there. Should I be? Yeah. More caffeine. More caffeine. All right. The brain maker. Biology data. Okay. This is good. The jump output. I don't know if we ever use that, but I have been looking in a dodge roll that's similar to Enter the Gungeon. Okay. All right. We don't need this because we're going to hard code this stuff for a minute. So I'm not giving them all that fancy memory stuff. I'm not doing it per eyes, so okay, we're getting rid of all this stuff for now. Just we're just gonna get rid of that line because it doesn't matter. So we'll be putting the real neurons in here. So this is an important thing, but it's going to be completely rewritten. So I just want to get the red out of it for now. This comment, this is both those two can be commented out. They're not in use as of the moment. All right, let's focus on the engine. Oh, that bot controller one scares me. I'm gonna have to pull over the training room data from the other one. I got a feeling. This is a bit daunting, but I'll polish it out. I've done weirder. I'm gonna refresh in case the chat's not updating again. Feel like you guys might be chatting, you might not. Maybe everybody's gone off and doing their own thing. Totally understand that. Lazy Saturday morning hackathon. So I'm in ChaosBattle, and for some reason this thing's automatically closed my game manager tab. There you go. That'll solve a bunch of problems. Alright. You're good. Oh, are you good? You're not good. It's made private there. Alright, well, I guess we're doing it as public. Good. I don't remember what any of this does. By detail plan, we're gonna go np dot chaos entity detail panel dot show dot entity. Yay, that actually works. Oh wow, there's a lot of red in this one. I guess I could do chaos level. We'll have to make a field there of brain maker. And sure, that'll do. Should probably have that method. It's not going to do anything, but we'll, you know, we'll still have it. Yes, please show me the one place that calls it. Okay, it's two places that call it. Cinematic overlay panel, that sounds good. Oh, I'm in an input manager now, that's great. Okay, evidently the button M does some stuff. That's cool. My short keys here. I don't know if, yeah, we do need an input manager, I did say that. Follow entity, that's right. That was tab. I hit tab. I couldn't get it to do it. So theoretically, if I hit tab in here, it'll follow a random entity. But it does not appear to do that. Evidently, we have not had a high scoring bot in quite some time. So whatever. It is what it is. Don't edit ChaosTrainer for the love of everything. I need that to be the source of truth. Okay, we're gonna just turn that off for now. I guess, yeah, for now. So we figure out our menu situation. All right, I was fixing this. That's where, how did I get so sideways? All right, we're gonna hide that. We're gonna hide that. I suppose I'd add an input manager. I don't even know where that is over there. Not there. It's not in there. All right, we find it in the game manager. We just need to find the input manager. There we go. We do have an input manager. Okay, that's good. Just need to add it to the game manager. Okay, that's good. We've got it. We can turn that to level. Let's change how this works a little bit. Oh my gosh, there's still a ton of red in here, and it's insanely long. I don't know if we were properly object pooling back then. And again, if I'm not chatting with you here, because I think the chat is slowly behind frozen, then ping me on Discord. I'll get there. Let's see. Do I just have an is? Oh, okay. I kind of just want to move these game modes out of there for now, because this is going to be just a huge pain. Let's move on. Buy controller. Okay, let's just go with breed action. That one's, look, only one thing that I got to change. That's fine. Level. Diagnostics manager. Debug tile. This isn't actually even, none of this is used, so you're just going to go on. Okay, this one I need a highlight object. Sure, let's just see what a highlight object is. It's in this. How do I keep going to that screen? Sorry. This game object, highlight object. We'll just copy that whole thing over. I'm gonna just put create a new folder called Miss Game Objects. Add directory. Yeah, let's rename you. Objects. And I guess I'm going to pull over CT color. Not sure where that one is. Scripts util, alright. I probably ought to just bring over most of the util folder. Yeah, why not? Okay, for that one I need the folders though. There's util. Okay, and now that one's happy. Alright, now that one's happier. That's the name of it. I thought there was a default spawn NPC team, blah blah blah. That's in prefab manager. That's where that is. Okay, prefab manager's got it. Where are you at? It's not it. Okay, yeah, this one we want to go prefab manager. I don't think we need that. We're just gonna move that out. I have a feeling it's gonna break something, but okay, evidently letter T is not showing up. Anyone on here got any fun plans for the weekend? Okay, we clean that up. Bot manager. So we're gonna. I don't know if we're gonna strip any of your stuff out. You got down there at the bottom. We might not even use you. Remove a live bot. Get a live bot. Okay. Bot manager. I'm sorry. You're gone. Okay. Now here's where we're in trouble. So, well, do we even want this thing? Let's see what all depends on it. Yeah, fitness, all the fitness stuff requires it. But we're getting rid of that. Oh boy. 0 consecutive viewers. No. All right. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of files that break when I remove this one. All right. Yeah, that's a lot of files. All the fitness stuff. about this. All right, here's what I'm thinking. We'll rewrite the stuff to use the bot controller here. So instead of a brain base, we'll call it the bot controller base. Actually, we're gonna just rename that to NPC controller. NPC and net controller. Yes, you're gonna have to refactor a ton of stuff. Okay, well, let's get to it. Oh, we're still gonna do it. Or does have to fix it? Oh, it still did it. That'll do. I probably should have done that. Let's see. This way. Alright. We'll get through this. The live streamer factoring. God, I should have thought this through better. Not as cinematic. Next week will be better. What's red with you? Come on. Oh. Alright. So let's go and take a look up here. We gotta refactor this. Sure. That's. Oh. That's alright. We'll get rid of that one. I just created that one. We don't need that one. Alright. And then this one we'll use base NPC controller. There we go. That's good. And then let's just rewrite the neural net one to extend NPC controller base. Wonderful. And I guess I probably ought to make that. Do you want to do that? All right, we're in it now. What am I missing? Sure. Do I really not have a tick on the bot controller? That's nuts. All right, you two are going to the top. Work my way down. I got a feeling I already have some type of method like that. Good, we don't need that anymore. Okay, I don't. Does that exist? That's what we want. All right, we're gonna go through that. I think that's private. We're gonna have to make it protected. Can't believe I didn't have that one in there. Because it creates its own brain as of the moment. Hey, Shay. Yeah, there it is up there. So it does have an NPC controller. We'll fix that. Alright. Neural net still needs some work. There we go. Alright. Getting there. What's wrong with this one? What do you got? Species. Parse data. And NPC controller. Okay. I think, yeah. Shoot. We need to add the attach method to this, though. There we go. Whoa, what the hell just happened? You just don't even need that. That should fix that. Here, yeah, good. All right. Well, that solves some problems. Figure out the species object. All right, let's get back to this. We're just gonna comment those out. I don't remember what they do. You know what? We're gonna get rid of all the world event stuff. What? I do have an is alive thing. It is a thing in here. Guess I'll just change it from function now. That's sloppy. There we go. That's definitely going to break some stuff, but I'll get that fixed. Here's the function now. And you need to be capitalized. Is anybody still here? Anybody listening to this live stream still here? What do you got going on this weekend? Liven this thing up. I know it's really not what I had hoped for. Did I do it with a capital I? I did. Alright, well, you're all stuck with it. I don't know what Sleep Me did. That's a good question. Let's find out. I just created a reason why they died, which would be useful, actually. This says it's never been used, so I wonder if that Sleep Me was had to be on the controller. And I just backwards here. No, it's on the entity. There we go. Alright, I just need the alternative sleep me reason. Never fear. How's it coming along? Well, it's good the chat's back now. For a second it wasn't refreshing there, but that was a while ago. It's coming. This is probably a pretty boring live stream, I suppose, because I'm just refactoring. I thought for some reason we'd see progress faster, but I was wrong. So, but we're getting there. We're rounding the corner. I'm almost to the point where we can possibly start running this thing. So just a couple of red areas there. Just that. That's trying to reconcile some of the old code with the new code. There we go. We just need a capital I. We're not doing that. I don't know what the stopwatch is for, but I have the stopwatch. Diagnostics manager, that's good. We'll put that in later. Okay. I'm just gonna get rid of all that stuff. I don't even think we're using that right now. This is a huge pain to just get it to compile. Not doing bio inputs for now, so that's good. Ooh, are we there? There's one. It looks bright there. Okay. World event. We're not doing world events. Done. All right. You know what? Are we referencing world events everywhere? What do you? Entity. All right. That's all right. We don't need none of this stuff right now. We're not using the nits. Nowhere. Hopefully, are they creating world events? So that's good. Bot memory. You know, you're gone. You're just getting deleted. Hopefully, it doesn't make more red for me. Only one bit of red in there. Oh, come on. I'm so close, and now the NPC controller. Okay, bot memory. No, we don't. We don't need it. We don't need it. Is there more errors down here? I don't see them. Why is there still red in here? Up here? Okay, we don't need that. That creates more errors. This is its whack-a-mole right now. Okay, good. Alright, the only reason I haven't touched these yet is because I don't know, we'll work on that. We'll get there. Is it impossible to include new Git packages in Rider? I do not know what a new Git package is. I might need some backstory on that. Alright. Let's see. Entities. Dot. Can I do values? I don't know. No, okay, no. Okay, that's fine. I probably should store the bot controllers separately, though. That might make sense. Jesus, caffeine is not nearly enough to keep me going right now. Not sure why I'm feeling so sluggish. Got a good workout in this morning. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I just want to comment. You know what? I feel like if I do this, it's gonna blow up. Okay. Well, we need to, in the level, add the brains anyway, so let's just go ahead and find the brain maker. Garbage collection. I'm pretty sure it's called the brain maker. What the heck am I thinking of? Oh, right there in front of me. So that is called training basic. Okay. That's good. Where do I call get a brain from? Okay, none of these are actually being called. Yeah, no, it's really okay. Evidently, it's not being called. All right, we got to go back to the other one, figure out what's going on with the brain maker. So all these are actually being used here. CT brain maker. That's right. Okay. No, I'm not about to move the file. Okay. ChaosBattle CT brain makers here. Initialize neurons, etc., etc. Okay. All right. So let's go back. And let's go brain maker. Let's figure out where the heck this populate's being called from. Populate. Okay, that's a little frightening. We go populate. Init new bot and the bot managers. We don't really have that. Okay, so we're going to create this in level, I guess. So I did get rid of the bot manager, right? I think I did. Okay. Really? Where's bots? There we go. That's it. There we go. That's not even close to what I just copied. Yeah, it's got to be bot controller base. Oh, NPC controller. Duh. Alright, what we got? Never fear. Alright, see you later. Feeling a bit tired. Yeah, it's got to be getting late there. I'm feeling a bit tired. No, you rest up. Hopefully next time I will have something that doesn't look like this, that actually is playable. Because then we can challenge each other to do stuff, which would be cool. Challenge our armies. NPC controller. If the NPC controller does not have an ID, I'll get that out of there. You need an ID. Alright, whatever. Moving on. Is there an on a knit bot? Oh, there is. So we're going to change to on a knit NPC. I like bot better. Why the hell am I switching it all to NPC? I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. Seeking story. Well, I go off for a little bit of time and you fix everything. Everything is a bit of an overstatement, but I am making good progress here. What is good? Oh, that's right. The whole reason that I went through all this jumping around. We gotta go values. Yeah. But yeah, we're not quite everything, but I appreciate the optimism. We're getting there. All right, one step forward. We're not doing this. We actually don't need any of that stuff. Because it'll be on a match by match length or whatever. And so we're going to just get rid of that for now. Oh boy. All right. I'm not doing that right now. Now that is a good question. I'm just gonna call this controller. That should do the trick there. Yeah, we're gonna rewrite all this. I don't even know why I'm keeping this in here. Did I actually write that? We're just gonna go gently. Really, is this actually used in places? It is used in places. Shoot. What is this supposed to return? Where is this called from? Where is that called from? Okay, this actually is important. So we got to figure out how we want to tell it if it's spawning a bot that's. This controller's a pain in the butt. 10:52. Oh, I'm tempted to take a break for a minute. Puppers is sleeping so well. All right. Besides the game modes and the inputs outputs, and now I guess this chaos level. Because we're basically going to do team 1 is the AI that already exists, and then team 2. So this would have to be based on the team. Or we just have species battle it out. We don't need to have the. Maybe that'd be like a good one at the end to have. Oh boy. I think, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to take 5. It has been about 2 hours here. I need to think on this. It's good. Making progress. I just need a little bit of time to think about it. Hopefully next time I'm not going to wait to pull in more stuff. I'll hopefully work on this more today and we can figure this out. So, with that said, thank you for joining my wonky old live stream as per usual. To my long-term fans, the ones that are always there, appreciate you guys. You guys keep me going. Seek a Story and Never Fear, of course. Mechanist, Super Jerry, all you guys. Adalore, which is Seeking Story. So, everybody have a good one. Maybe I'll play some Kenshi at some point too. Let me know if you guys like that. I would do it. But yeah, we're making progress. It's not the sexiest of things, but we'll get there. Then we'll battle it out. Oh wait, I forgot to check on these guys. Hold on, let's check on these guys over here in this other window. Where are you? No. I think it actually, I don't even see it. It froze. ChaosBattle, ChaosTrainer, there we go. I'm just gonna watch this for a second. That's what I'll exit and leave you guys on this one. And watch these guys play it out. It was a chill classic stream. All right, well, I'm glad you guys enjoy them. I'm happy to keep doing them. I don't even know. Like I said, I'm moving into a new house next week, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it next week, but I'll be around. Hopefully, I don't have internet at the new house yet, but we're getting there. So everybody, have a great day, and until next time.